Welcome back to another episode of Fixing Up this Ford Focus here. So today I'm going to be fixing the rear wheel hubs. I got some bouncy vibration back there, so I'm going to be changing those out. It's definitely a lot on the passenger side, but not a lot on the driver's side, but better safe than sorry. Alright, let's get to it. I've already got my car jacked up, and I've started to take off the lug nuts with my impact drill and my Dexter. Okay, so once you got your wheel off, we're going to go ahead and remove this caliper. Okay, so you're going to get yourself a flathead screwdriver. Go ahead and pop this little black piece off, and then you need a 7, I don't know, like millimeter or whatever. It's just a size number 7 Allen wrench. And go ahead and just break that loose back here so we can take off this caliper and the brake. Okay, you're going to want to get some needle nose pliers and remove this clip. Once that clip is removed, we can pull this off. It's going to be stuck, so go ahead and give it some good tugs. Persuasion taps of the hammer. Oops, don't hit the rotor. A bit of persuasion taps and you'll get it off. Okay, so I went and secured mine with the bungee just so it's back there, and then we can go ahead and remember that this one with the clip goes on the inside and this one goes on the outside. Next up, we're going to be removing that bolt, and we're going to be removing that bolt. Breaker bar for the win! Oh, get you a breaker bar. Get you a mother loving breaker bar. Alright, that's not gonna work now. I gotta get the smaller one. Oh no, it's still not gonna work! What if I put an extension through there and then try to... No, it'd still be... Actually, that might work. That might work. Okay, so I had to get an extension and my breaker bar and stick it through that hole back there. This is a 13mm deep socket. I was able to do it like that. See if we can break it free. Yes! Got it. Oh, get yourself a breaker bar. When in doubt, breaker bar it out. Easy peasy. Nice. Alright, if your rotor is stuck like mine and not wanting to come off at all, it's not coming at all, you give it some persuasion wax. There we go. It is loose. Go take the rotor off. Set it down. Right, so now you just got to remove that sensor and start working on the bolts back there. Those are at E14 6-point socket, so you're going to need that to get these off. So I have 3 of the bolts out. I was able to get them out using an extractor. So I definitely stripped the bolts, even though I used the E14. They were just way stuck in there. And when I stripped it, all I did was get an extractor, and then the extractor took that out. But for some reason, it is not taking this last one out. I tried the extractor, I tried cutting it with a chisel. The extractor just keeps rounding out. It doesn't hold on. So this is a brand new pack that I went and I just got. I'm thinking maybe I ruined the teeth in there and I needed a new one, so I went and got a new one. And if that doesn't work, I'm just going to cut it off. Okay, once you get your extractor on there, you want to give it some wax. Not very easy to get it. Beans. Hopefully that works. No, that ain't gonna work. because I can't fit this in. This is the smallest. This is the smallest. There's no way I can fit this in there. Literally no way. I can't fit it in the back. I can't fit it if I angle it. I can't fit it. I can't fit it if this was longer. If this stick was longer. Okay, so I've decided to cut the dust shield off. That's the only way I'm gonna get to this bolt. I can't get to it any other way. So yeah, let's just cut this dust shield off. That's not good. Alright, got some custom fabrication going on around here. State of the art duct tape. I'm going to use that to put some JB Weld over this bad boy. Alright, go ahead and get your JB Weld mixture. Now we're going to use a wheel brush to clean the wheel up. Okay, so now I'm going to get my refurbished dust shield, put it back on here. Doing a crisscross pattern. And I had to get these bolts from Ace because I stripped the other one, so I'm going to put this one down here. I'm going to put it like that. And then have this one on the top of this one. Give it a crisscross pattern thing. Hopefully that's good. Wait. It looks like the bolts I got from Ace are 19 millimeters. Don't forget to connect your sensor right here. Push it till you hear a click. There we go. It's all the way. Alright, now you can get your rotor. Put your rotor back on. Alright, and these are 13 millimeter. Now we're going to put the one with the spring on the inside there. Alright, once you got it lined up, go ahead and tighten your... We're going to put our little caps back on there. Yep. Okay. That's what you're going to want it to look like at the end. And then we're going to go ahead and take our wetness off. And we can put back our wheel. And that's gonna do it for me. I'm gonna call it a wrap. I need to do the driver's side still, but I'm gonna do that another day. So stay tuned.